Good morning class. Today we discuss about exothermic and endothermic reaction. What do you understand by exothermic and endothermic reaction? Exothermic word is taken from a Latin language. It is made up of two words, exo plus thermos. Exo means outside. Or release. Thermos means heat. Exothermic reaction stands for release of heat. The chemical reaction which proceeds with the evolution of heat is called exothermic reaction. Evolution of heat. An exothermic reaction can be stand without supply of external heat. To indicate exothermic reaction, we use plus delta H symbol. Plus delta H indicate exothermic reaction. For example, N2 plus 3H2 that gives 2NH3 plus delta H. Respiration is also an exothermic reaction. Respiration is another example of exothermic reaction. Why respiration is called exothermic reaction? Because in case of respiration, carbohydrate molecule dissociate to form CO2 and water molecule, and also in the form of energy heat is released. So respiration is an exothermic reaction. Now we discuss endothermic. Endothermic made up of two words, endo plus thermos. Endo means inside or absorption. And thermos means heat. So endothermic reaction is those reaction in which absorption of heat takes place. On the other hand, we said a chemical reaction which proceeds with the absorption of heat is called endothermic reaction. An endothermic reaction cannot be sustained without supply of external energy. But exothermic reaction sustained without supply of external energy, but endothermic reaction cannot be sustained without supply of external energy. Absorption of heat, supply of external energy is used in case of endothermic reaction. Supply of external energy. Endothermic reaction indicate by minus delta H symbol. For example, N2 plus O2 that gives 2NO minus delta H. Now again we discuss exothermic and endothermic reaction. Exothermic made up of two words, exo plus thermos. Exo means release or outside, thermos means heat. A chemical reaction which proceed with evolution of heat or a release of heat is called exothermic reaction. Endothermic made up of two words, endo plus thermic. Endo means absorption, thermos means heat. A chemical reaction which proceed with absorption of heat is called endothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction represented by plus delta H symbol, and endothermic reaction is represented by minus delta H symbol. In case of exothermic reaction, no external energy is used, but in case of endothermic reaction, external energy is used. Okay, thank you class.